Hi everybody, how is everyone doing today? So right now I am in my son's room and right now he's not here. You can see his chair is empty. He's not here at this time. He went out with his friend for bike riding. So no one is here, otherwise he will not let me make a video in his room. So yeah, I just want to show you my son's room. Here he has a lamp and few books, and he is very creative, and you can see here some paintings he made by himself. And this is the view from outside, and here two another paintings. He also made these two by himself. He loves painting. And here is a small basket, and he puts all his snacks in there. As you can see, everything in this room. So yeah, so I was thinking what to do today, so I'm just planning to go now and organize my jewelry because it's really messy. And since we are in quarantine and not doing anything, we're not going much outside or shopping or anything, so I'm just like every day, okay, I have to do something. So I think today I'm going to organize my jewelry. So okay, I'll see you guys. Just thinking to organize this jewelry because all the earrings and bracelets, necklaces, they are like here and there, so I'm going to put them together, and then it will look good and it will be easy to pick up the jewelry whenever we have to go somewhere. So I'm going to organize this. So as you can see, I have a lot of jewelry here. Some of them, they're still new, I didn't even use. Okay guys, so my jewelry organizing is done. Then this side I have all the earrings. Hey guys, we are in the car right now and we just came for walk, and we are at the Raccoon River Park. It's a very big park, so we are waiting for our friends. They are going to come here and join us for walk. So we'll show you around here when we go out. And they have a very long trail. I think it's around 3 miles, so we're gonna walk there. So it's going to be a good walk for today, and the weather is very nice also, so it should not be that hot. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are back home. We're done with our walk. We had a really good walk. It was like about 3 miles, and now we're tired, so came back home and now making tea. So I think I'm going to end my vlog here, and I'm going to make cake rusk. So definitely I will share my recipe with you guys. And so now I'm just going to add one tip of the day. So today's tip of the day is, a good deed can turn enemies into friends. So you guys should also try that. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So till then, please do like, share and comment. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make cake rusk, and here I have all the ingredients. So let me tell you the ingredient first. I have here 1 stick of unsalted butter. I have 1/4 teaspoon food color. This is optional. If you guys want, you can add it. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of icing sugar. If you guys don't have icing sugar, you whatever the sugar you have, regular sugar, you can grind that as well. And then here I have 3 eggs, and here I have vanilla essence, so I'm going to use this 1/4 teaspoon. And here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So let's start. Okay, so first of all I'm going to put this butter here and just mash this. And now I'm going to add the sugar. So here I have hand mixer, so I'm going to use this to mix it. So you just have to mix it well. Okay, so our butter and sugar is ready. So now I'm going to add egg one by one. So don't add the eggs like all 3 together. You have to add one by one. So I am adding 1 egg at a time and mix it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add the second one. Mix it. Mix it.
Go.
Okay, so now I'm adding baking powder and food color and mix it. Okay, so I added the orange color because I don't have yellow color, but it's very similar to orange color, so you guys can use orange color or the yellow color, whatever you have, guys. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it. Now I will add the 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So after adding the flour and everything, so you have to beat 2 to 3 minutes so that it will get fluffy. So here I have a baking tray, so I'm going to grease this with some oil so the batter will not stick in this and it will come out smoothly. Okay, so now I'm going to put this batter . Okay, so the batter is ready to go to the oven. So we have to bake this 350-degree Fahrenheit temperature for 30 minutes. Okay guys, the cake is ready and now I'm going to take it out. And here it is. And now I'm going to cut this into pieces. You guys can cut in any kind of shapes you want to. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put these pieces in the baking tray and then I will bake these for 20 minutes on like 200-degree Fahrenheit. Okay guys, so now these are ready to go to the oven for baking. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes, so I took them out from the oven. So these are done from one side, so now I'm going to put them from the other side. And now I'm going to bake them another 20 minutes from the other side. Okay guys, so the cake crisps are ready and they are very crispy. Let me show you guys. They're very crispy and crunchy, so I'm going to serve them now.